Hello, Professor. It's Kirill Цибулька. I would like to share my solution for assignment 3. Here we have to continue work on our Spring Boot applications that we have done in the previous assignment, but we should replace some some code to operating you to allow us to operate Spring Data GPA, which allow us to add patient update delayed get patient by using connection with a database. Also, next question was add proper Hibernate annotation, ID, add ID, and create native query. And this is my solution. Look like I started from the inserting the a new dependency in our POM XML, which allow us to connect with a MySQL database and also make a dependency with GPA or Hibernate. After after adding this dependency, I should clean and install Maven from the scratch. And also, it's important to make Maven reload. Also, I change application configuration file where I insert this information. This is common data, our connection with database. So this is the name of my database. Also, it's important this DDL out, which allowed with a special update value which that allow us allow Hibernate or our the Spring Boot application before creating the new table in the MSQL database. Check if table already exists. If not, it will be creating from scratch. If already exists, it just worked on with it. Then I move to the patient class where I add the entity announcement to the patient class, which that means that this patient class will be connected with transform to the table, which when connected to with database. Also, I add ID annotation and generate a value ID, which allow us to generate unique ID for our each our object of the patient class. What next? I create repository folder and implement patient repo interface, which is responsible for the have some method which allow us easily interact with the database and fetch data from it. I want also insert data, and also I implement several methods which I should use in my Python service implementation. Also is important. This is my native query that allows recording the task is the task, find all patients or sorting order by name and age, and should be gather 18 years. 18 years wasn't interesting because I already inserted data and all guys who was older than 18, so I use 30. I use constraints where age and order by name and age, and add native true. Then I move to the patient implementation. I comment, but it means remove the our hash map object. I called patient repository and implement assign it to his constructor. Also, I change all method here on appropriate name of the object of repository and the appropriate method which go with in this interface, which allow to save, find all, get reference by ID, and the last method is new, find by name and find by native query. And what else I do? I think it's everything okay. Add special insert tag, which allow us to run our special native query. Let's look like our project is our application is working. When we run application, run application and go to our local host 8080, we see our application. This is data is already existing now in my MySQL folder. You can easily delete or update. For example, let's update. It was ID1. ID1 is updated. Then find people over 30 years. This is correct work. And add patient. Let's add somebody. We don't need to insert. Let's add me. My age, male. What else? Data and add. And we will see at the end of the list my name. So as you see, everything is working. Search by name. Let's find this guy by name. We find him. Show all patient, and by ID. Let's find the ID guy with 6 ID. You also see. So application is correctly. Thank you, Professor, for your attention.